Dear student, once again I am here before you to solve a numerical problems based on lens formula related to concave lens. Yesterday and day before yesterday we have solved two problems based on lens formula but associated with convex lens. Today a problem related to concave lens. First of all, see the problem. An object is kept at a distance of 60 cm from a concave lens which forms an image at a distance of 20 cm on the same side of the lens. Calculate the focal length of the lens. There will be another question. What can you say about the size of the image? No size of object is mentioned here, but there may be question. What can you say on the size of the image? So you know lens formula 1 by f equal to 1 by v minus 1 by u. First of all, we have to write down what quantities are given. U object distance minus 60 cm as per the sign convention. V is given here minus 20 cm according to sign convention. For easier purpose, I have to draw a ray diagram for concave lens. An object is placed at a distance of 60 cm from the concave lens, whose image is formed here. That is the image at a distance of 20 cm from the optical center. We have to calculate focal length OF. Light ray is going, after falling on the lens, it gets diverged. Another light ray is going through optical center. As per the rule, it will go straight. No chance to meet anywhere. So when we produce this ray backward, both intercept here, so image is formed at this point. The distance is given 20 cm. Okay. Now use formula once again here. 1 by f equal to 1 by v minus 1 by u. 1 by f equal to minus 1 by 20 minus 1 by minus 60. Because sign convention we have to use here. 1 by f equal to minus 1 by 20 plus minus minus plus 1 by 60. 1 by f equal to LCM of 20 and 60, that is 60. 23 times with minus sign and 61 times plus 1 minus 2 by 60. 1 by f equal to minus 2 by 60, therefore f equal to minus 30 centimeter. This means we can say focal length of the given lens is 30 centimeter. Earlier I told you concave lens has negative focal length, that's why answer is here negative. So what was the question? Calculate the focal length. It's okay, 30 centimeter. Now there is another question. In the same question, what can you say about the size of the image? This means we have to calculate the magnification. U and V are given here. So M equal to V by U minus 20 cm by minus 60 cm means minus minus cancel 1 by 3. Very simple answer. Here I told you if M is positive, the nature of the image is virtual and erect. As earlier I told you, concave lens always form virtual image. So positive sign indicate virtual image. 1 by 3, M equal to 1 by 3. This means less than 1. This means size of the image is 1/3 of the object. Suppose that the size of the object is 3 cm, image will be formed 1 cm. Size of the object will be 9 cm, image will be 3 cm. That is 1/3, 1 by 3. So this is the solution of the question number 3 based on lens formula. You have to practice more and more numerical question based on lens formula, and always remember the sign convention. because without sign convention you will not be able to solve any question correctly. Thanks, that's all.